Welcome back everybody. So this is gonna be a quick update video for you guys on DWAC. Now it's called DJT, Trump Media and Technology Group. So before we get started guys, please smash that like button, and 100 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. And if you want to support the channel and get my daily trade ideas, swing trade ideas, live trading, and all kinds of setups, definitely check out their link down below in the description for Patreon. And now let's get right into it. So DJT, Trump Media and Technology Group, it's up on the day 16%. And a lot of you guys that are subscribed to my channel and watching my videos, and you might be here and subscribing to my channel because of one name. That is because of this stock and trusting my analysis to go long and hold this stock long term. Because you can see now what happened today guys. Explosion. Even last night I did not give you guys fake hopes on DJT. What I said last night, you can go back and watch my video all over again, that above 53 you're going to see explosion up to 58 right here. Possibly up to this gap 63 and then 71. And what we got today guys, soon as the merger is done here on DJT and we got a new ticker, guess what happened today guys? Explosion. I mean, things went above and beyond, went through the roof. 79.38 high for the day, and that is a new 52-week high on DJT. And that is why trusting analysis and holding with someone that is trading for 20 years, it's different than someone who's making a video just for a couple views and they saw the stock hitting their screener and now making a video and talking about, oh, it's a new thing, DJT, it's a Trump-backed, stock, it's gonna go up. No. I've been making these videos for 2 years now and talking about the same principle and the same thing, that this thing here I'm holding long term. I'm holding at least up until 2024 election, and past election, Trump goes right back into that office, this thing will be a rocket. And forget about Trump going back into the office for now. I mean, he's not even in the office, and look at this explosion just because it's got that Trump name. I mean, look at this guys, 79.38. Now if you count from here, let's say you bought at 20, not 17 or 28. How much money you got? Just look at that. So this thing delivered. And now people that are holding, like myself, and a lot of you guys are also holding long term. And not only that guys, this stock made lots of people millions and millions of dollars today. And there will be more millionaires going into that election 2024. And that is why, looking at someone who's making a video today, not knowing what's going on, and someone who's trusting from day one and holding long term, you can see the result is right in front of you guys. I mean, explosion today. This thing, I mean, almost $80 from 1738. Forget about 1432 and all that. Let's say 1738.20 you got in. I mean, today, almost $80. Is that good amount of profit? Absolutely. Even if this thing comes down, goes down to 10 bucks or below, I have no regret, holding this stock right now, because, I mean, look at this move. And Trump is not even in that office yet. He's not a president yet. And this thing exploded just on the merger. And you can see, I mean, look at this right here, guys. At one point today, the market cap went up by $6 billion in just one day. It was actually $2 billion, and now you can see it's $6.55 billion market cap. It was up to like 8 plus. So there will be more money coming in right here on DJT. There will be more catalyst and a lot more other things going into that election. And soon as we get through that election and Trump goes right back into that office, if this thing can go up to $79 today, guess what? The biggest catalyst will be Trump going back into that office, and this thing can easily hit 100, 150, 200, 250. Anything is possible on DJT. So never count this stock out. And Now that the merger went through, we got a new ticker, and that is all legit. And now this thing can go up even more. Now, does that mean that you go and chase? So the message I'm sending you guys here in this video that, yes, we got a nice, really big rally today on that merger, but don't go and chase this stock. Right now, this is not a time to go and chase this name. There will be a pullback at some point. It's getting far too overextended. I mean, look at today. Why we got that pullback and some profit taking. Look at this Bollinger Band on top right here. It's sitting close to 152.39, and the stock was trading at 79.38 all day, then came down. It was trading at 71 right here, 71 to 72, and then finally at the end gave up that level, came back, also took out 63 right here, $63. That's gonna be a support, and now it's trading above this previous high right here, which is at 58, and holding that into closing. So DJT can go up again. We saw a massive rally, but always be careful chasing. And I say that to all the names. It's not because this stock is up today big time. Anything that is actually going up significantly in just a matter of 1 or 2 days, you don't want to go and chase it. And that is coming out of 20 plus years of experience in this market and trading, because a lot of people, they got this FOMO, guys. I mean, they will see something like right now I'm saying, 150, 200, 250. Well, it's going to go there. I'm just going to buy here at $60. No, you cannot do that. You got to buy at the right time. And if you're going long term, you got to wait for a decent pullback. And that's going to be an opportunity for you to go long. So DWAC, now, yes, things can go up even more, but I'm expecting, a bit of a pullback, and that can happen possibly. Right now, this thing just trading above this high right here, or at least holding $58 right here as a support into closing. So that's gonna be your main line in the sand right here going into tomorrow's session on DJT. Below that, you're going to see a drop down to 53, and then we have this gap just under 53, and it will be healthy if there is a pullback down here, because a lot of people can actually buy and hold if they're going long term right here, as long as the support can hold at 53. Now, even right here, I would say, this is not a good entry. If you're looking for a good entry, then wait a little bit more, let it pull back at least down to, I would say, 42 to 41 right here, 50-day moving average. You need to wait for that pullback. So going into tomorrow's session, guys, we had a great day on DJT. This thing exploded today, but don't get overly bullish. Time is still not here. Election is nowhere near us. We got a few more months. There will be now upgrades, more catalyst, institutional buying on DJT, and a lot more. So this is not it. This thing can easily go up to 100, 150. And if you're thinking about just dumping your shares and locking in profit, it's totally up to you. But I'm holding longer and stronger, and I think this thing can go up even more. So going into tomorrow's session, if there is a pullback, you need to watch this support right down here at 58, like it was holding into closing today. And below that, we got this gap from today just below 53, and that's gonna be also a strong support. And then 46 all the way down here to the upside. If the rally continues, now it's up over 2%. If the rally continues tomorrow, watch out for the resistance at 63, and above that, that will open the door again for a move back up to 71 and possibly even higher, going back up to 80, and then we can talk about 100. And yes, things can actually stay overbought for a long time. So, just because I'm expecting a pullback does not mean that this thing will crash and come down tomorrow. Yes, things can go up even higher, and then we might get that pullback on DJT. And look at the volume today, guys. 54 million shares traded on DJT, which is huge. High volume buying and also a bit of a selling at the end. And that is just people, taking some profit. A lot of people got in here and holding long term. They probably got in here at 28, 35, 17, 20. So taking some profit off the table, nothing wrong with that. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I will definitely keep you guys updated on DJT.